Hi tech lovers! Welcome back to Triplezon. In today's video, we're exploring the best SATA internal SSD available right now. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Patriot P220. Let's get started. Product feature. Next-gen technology. This drive features Patriot's latest advancement in 2.5-inch SATA 3 technology, using a cutting-edge controller to breathe new life into your favorite devices. Lightning-fast speeds. Experience impressive performance with read speeds reaching up to 550 megabytes per second, ensuring your system starts up and loads applications in the blink of an eye. Swift write performance. With write speeds up to 490 megabytes per second, you can save your precious memories and important projects faster than ever, keeping your creative workflow moving smoothly. Ultra slim design. The compact 7mm height ensures it fits perfectly into slim laptops and modern desktops, offering a hassle-free upgrade for almost any setup you have at home. Generous 256GB storage. Enjoy plenty of room with 256 gigabytes of space for your essential files, heavy applications, and data, making multitasking feel effortless and stress-free. Smart health monitoring. Stay ahead of any issues with built-in SMART health monitoring, which proactively tracks your drive status to keep your data safe and sound. Universal compatibility. Designed for flexibility, it's backward compatible with SATA 2 interfaces, allowing you to easily upgrade older machines without any technical headaches. Pros. The Patriot P220 is a heartwarming choice for anyone wanting to make their computer feel like new again. It's built for strong durability, meaning your data is in safe hands. Plus, the 3-year warranty and responsive customer support show that Patriot truly cares about your experience. It balances speed and affordability perfectly, helping you get more done with less frustration. Cons. While the 256GB capacity is wonderful for everyday tasks and essential files, power users with massive media libraries might eventually find themselves needing even more space. Also, while SATA 3 is very reliable and compatible, it won't reach the extreme top-tier speeds of modern NVMe drives. Final thoughts. Imagine turning on your computer and having everything ready for you instantly. That's the kind of joy this little drive brings to your daily life. It's more than just hardware. It's a way to reclaim your time and reduce the stress of a slow system. Whether you are reviving a beloved old laptop or building something fresh, this SSD provides the reliable heartbeat your system deserves. Your computer deserves to run at its very best. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Triple M and like this video. Thanks for spending your time with us today.